Hey everyone, Rylis Productions here. We just got a new T56 Magnum, and we're going to do an unboxing to see what you get when you get one of these badass transmissions. If you guys are on the fence of getting a 6-speed for your vehicle, this is what we have. This is what you'll see. As you can see, the box is brand new. The shipping straps are still on. We just got this yesterday. Today is August 24th. Rylis Productions there. Made in Mexico, but still a pretty stout transmission. It'll handle majority of you guys out there. 700 foot-pounds of torque and all that. So I'll place the camera here. Show you guys what's inside the box. It's a brand new transmission, never been opened before. My trusty knife will cut it open. This is the close ratio version. I'll show you the part number again. This is the 111009. This has a 2.66 first gear and a 0.80 fifth and 0.63 sixth gear. So this is what comes inside the box. There it is, 1009, the close ratio hydraulic transmission from Tremec. T56 Magnum. Get yours today at RylisPro.com. Thanks.